The industrial maintenance, you got hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical.
The hands-on stuff you get to learn. We got a lot of labs, equipment, learn how to wire and stuff up and learn how to use the different pneumatics, hydraulic parts. Milling is just fabulous. It's just something I've never even really looked at or knew anything about before.
I think they go above and beyond. I mean, not just as far as me being a student, but it becomes a friendship. They look out for your best interest in the class and outside the class. I mean, they make you feel like you're part of, like a family.
Opportunity.
Opportunity.
Come across the industrial maintenance class and it looked like something I was interested in. Learn a little bit of everything.
This class has me diversified, several different paths I could take, like welding, machining.
Electrical, of course we've been through pneumatics and motors and stuff, so I learned a little bit of everything.
I mean, there's just so many different paths, different careers I could take. I could choose each one of them and just go that direction.
And there's a lot of opportunities out there for somebody that knows how to do machining. Everything's been interesting, so.